Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ArtiLink. Now I'm going to talk about the potential market for our platform ArtiLink and why it's great time for this idea. Let's dive right into it. So what makes ArtiLink such a promising idea? First off, it serves a wide range of industries by giving local artisans the ability to manufacture and deliver handcrafted products on a global scale. We are also big on sustainability, encouraging responsible use of materials and promoting eco-friendly practices. Another exciting part of ArtiLink is the learning aspect. We offer workshops where artisans can teach their crafts, helping them build new skills. And to make the shopping experience even more engaging, we use augmented reality so customers can see how products look in their own home before they buy. Now let us look at the market side of things. ArtiLink is designed as a subscription service which allows users to message artisans and create custom-made products. And this is exactly what today's customers are looking for. Personalized, handmade item that feels unique. Customization is a huge trend right now and ArtiLink taps into that perfectly. It keeps user engaged, helps build relationship between artisans and buyers, and also provides a steady stream of revenue through the subscription model. With more people seeking out these kind of unique shopping experience, ArtiLink is in a great position to meet that demand. So that's a quick look at the potential market for ArtiLink. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps you to see the potential behind our project and why we are believing it make a real impact. Thank you.